oli ku Bokat TV. Leero enkya ne luli Bokat TV.
Katikkiro did not mention Gashumba by name. I listened to him.
Okay, butedevu nkwaniriza nnyo ate mpozi ku Bokat TV. Nze Sula Ssenyonga, yonna gy'osinzira okulya mpozi ng'otulaba, osubscribinga, otulikinga, n'otuviewinga tugamba nti okola kyamaanyi nnyo. Ffe tubeera tukutuusaako amawulire agabeera gaguddewo, n'obeera nga mutuufu. Naawe ogalabako eyo gy'oli mu quarantine, n'obeera ate mpozi nga mutuufu nga kikunyumira. Olunaku olwaleero mubadde mu birabo ebyajja bibaawo. Gashumba bwe yatakinga Katikkiro wa Buganda, ate mpozi n'atakingako ne ku Buganda. Oba kibagamba okubeera mpozi nga ate yalinye y'amagye. Bye yayogera mwabiwulira bulungi nnyo, basinga mwabiraba, bize bitambula ku mikutu agya social media egy'enjawulo. Wabula waliwo wano omusajja sijja kumwogerera, njagala ye yeyogerere. Musajja Munyankole amwanukudde, sijja kwogera bigambo bya mwami ono kubanga ninza okusobyamu. Ye kabyeyogerere mutegeere Gashumba yalinye y'amagye, yagalinye gye gava oba.
Katikkiro did not mention Gashumba by name. I listened to him. I reviewed what he said. Okay? For him, yagamba nti omuntu gwe bakwata ne bateeka ku mpingo ne bamugyamu engato should not be the person to design the course of action. Okay? I'm paraphrasing.
Yes, I'm listening.
Mu Uganda be bagyemu engato bangi nnyo be batadde ku mpingo bangi nnyo.
Do you want to tell me it was guilt? Was it guilt?
Look, absolutely. Well, but by default, ayinza kubanga yamukonyeko ku mutwe. But again, he did not mention his name. He was classy. Okay. He was classy. He gave him a job, but technically, legally, you cannot sue. Boba Gashumba, you cannot take Katikkiro to court mbuyanja ogedeko. There was no name thrown in. Okay? Legally. Boda yeka ojja kumanya bakuteeka ku mpingo, yes. Bakugyamu engato, yes. Wali mufere, yes. Wagenda mukomera, yes. So ebyo byonna bikukoonako. Meaning, maybe it's you. Okiraba?
Okay.
So kati bwe kyamukonyeko kwe kudda wano. But again, the language that some Ugandans want to tolerate, eyokuvuma, and then we cheer them on. And when you come to the kingdom and the Katikkiro, and for me, I believe that disagreement is natural and it's orderly. I don't have to agree with you. And by the way, even if it wanted to be a classical, job, gamanti oli yayogedde naye waliwo yakomye. He did not mention the name. He just told you the people of this caliber are not your, shouldn't be your mentors. Nakoma kwekyo. Okay? Kati gwe bwovaayo and you attack the whole kingdom. Okay? Kyenkugambye nti abaleeta ebizibu tebabeera bangi. Okay? We know Gashumba is not a Muganda. Okay? So
okay.
You can live in a place for 1,000,000 years. That does not make you them. Okay? So,
okay.
And for him to find a place to discuss Uganda, as if he is a Muganda, is wrong. His grandfathers could have lived in Uganda, but they are known to be not Waganda. Gashumba is a Munyarwanda. Okay? So, I don't think, on behalf of all the Banyarwanda everywhere, okay? I don't think he was the representative to speak on behalf of Uganda, to talk about matters of Uganda. I saw him attacking a Munyankole guy. Ngamugamba nti genda oyogere ku ebyagaju, a cow.
Yeah, I saw that. Gendo comment.
You saw that?
I saw that.
Now, I'm like, look at who is talking. Look at who is talking. Who gives you that authority to dissect Uganda? No, living in Uganda, I have lived in Kampala myself. I own properties in Kampala. But guess what? That does not give me the leverage to begin talking about the kingdom of Uganda. It does not. Okay? So, we must challenge that kind of attitude. It is bogus, it is reckless, and hopeless. Ako kamanyiro. And particularly for people who have no stake. For people who have no stake, it is worrisome. When I see someone who has no stake in a society, taina mudara gwa kabaragara. And I've said this before. As a matter of fact, it is like my girl was listening to me because I had appeared here before. I don't know whether you listened to my presentation.
I remember.
I said that Uganda is making a mistake. You cannot open all the airwaves and you are talking about Gashumba. Of what consequence is Gashumba? What does he add to a society? Unless you are a Western society that have decided to be useless.
Mumaze okwewulirirako. Ekibuuzo kikyaliwo. Yalinnya y'amagye, yagalinnya gye gava, kiki ekiddako? Jjukira waliwo n'omwami omulala Abitex Musinguzi naye yakunze abantu naddala Abaganda n'ababagala Obuganda nabaki. Musinguzi ye Abitex yagamba naye Munyankole ayagala abantu bagende bakumbe peaceful marching, bagende ewa mwami Gashumba abannyonnyole ku biki byeyogerako era yongera okutangaaza eggwanga. Tova ku Bokati TV, nze Sula Senyonga.
Oli ku Bokati TV leero enkya na luli. Bokati TV.